Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. As before going to the topic, we should do warm exercise. Be ready, student? Everyone sit in your place. Close your eyes. Backbone straight, ma. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay, children, sit in your places. Children, open your homework and workbook. Open. Revision. Five point two. Sorry, 5.3. See, children, recall. Multiple choice question. The difference when 6 is subtracted from 8. See, 6 is subtracted from 8. 8 minus 6. See, 6 after up to 8 you should count. 6 after 7, 8. How many fingers? 2. What is the difference between 2? What is that? 2. Option C. First one, option C. Next, the difference when 1 is subtracted from 4. See, 1 is subtracted from 4. 4 minus 1. 1 after up to 4 you should count. 2, 3, 4. How many fingers? 3. 3 difference. Yes, where it is? Option A. Next, the difference when 5 is subtracted from 5. 5 minus 5. 0. Where it is? Option A. 0. Next, the difference between the one digit of 45 and 32. 45, 32. One digit. One digit. What you are asking? One digit. Once means only one space you should subtract. In the 5, 2 should minus 3. Yes. Means one digit, which number will come? 3. Where is that option? C. Understood? Next, the difference between the tens digit of 27, 15. Here asking 10 digit, 10 space, 1. Where it is? A. Option A. Understood? See, the difference between 35 and 15. 35 and 15. 35 minus 15. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 1. 1 after up to 3 you should count. S 1 after 2, 3. 20. Where it is? Option D. Seventh one, fill in the blanks. While subtracting mentally, we first subtract the digit in the dash place. Always we should subtract in the ones place. Yes, ones. While adding also, we should subtract ones place. Sorry, while adding also, we should add ones place first. Understood? While multiplication also, you should multiply first ones place. The difference between 22 and 11. See, 22 minus 11. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. What is the difference? 11. Ninth one. The difference between 40 minus 30. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 4, 3 should minus. Up to 3 after up to 4 you should count. 3 after 4, only 1. What is that? 10 is the difference. Understood? Subtract 12 from 22. See? 10th one. 22 minus 12. 0, 10. 11th one. See? 42 from 62. 62 minus 42. 2 minus 2, 0. In the 6, 4 should minus. 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers? 2. 20 is the answer. 12th one. Subtract 50 from 60. 60 minus 50. 0. 6 5 after 6. Only 1. 13th one. See, 43 minus 32. 1, 11. B1. 87 minus 57. 7 minus 7, 0. In the 8, 5 should minus. S, 5 after up to 8 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 3. What is that answer? 30 is the answer. 14th one. Solve mentally. 57 minus 12. 7 minus 2. 2 after up to 7 you should count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 5. That 5 you should write here. Here. 1 after up to 5 you should count. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. 45 is the answer. Next. 78 minus 51. See. In the 8, 1 should minus. S. 1 after up to 8 you should count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 7. See, 5 after up to 7 you should count. 5 after 6, 7. How many fingers? 2. 27 is the answer. Understood, children? And next, 15th one. These all you should practice, ma. 15th one. A. 73 minus 51. 73 minus 51. In the 3, 1 should minus. 1 after up to 3 you should count. 1 after 2, 3. How many fingers? 2. Yeah. Here 7, down 5. S. 5 after up to 7 you should count. 5 after 6, 7. How many fingers? 2. 22 is the answer. Next. 77 minus 66. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 54 minus 22. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Next, 82 minus 21. 1 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 2, 2 after up to 8 you should count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 6. 61 is the answer. Understood, children? Next, 16th one. Otherwise, see these all, you can do like this also. See, ones place, tens place. See, A1, 96 minus 64. S, ones place, tens place, tens place. First ones place you should minus. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4. In the 6, 4 should minus. S, 2 answer. 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 3. See, ones place 2, tens place 3. 32 is the answer. Understood? You can do like this also, otherwise like this also you can do. Easy methods. Okay. A1 finished. See, B1. What is that? 85 minus 23. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place you should minus first. 5 minus 3. 2. 2 in ones place. Now tens place. 8 minus 2. 6. 62 is the answer. S. This is tens place. Answer here I should write. Next, C1. 77 minus 36. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place you should minus. 7 minus 6. In the 7, 6 should minus. 1. What is that? Answer 1. Now, tens place. 7 minus 3. See, 3 after up to 7 you should count. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 4 fingers. Here, in tens place you should write. 41 is the answer. Understood? D1. 68 minus 46. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. First ones place. 8 minus 6. 2. 6 minus 4. 2. Answer is 22. Understood, children? You should like. Oh God. Next children, applications. Applications. Veena has two attended See applications. Veena has to attend 75 maths classes in a term. She attended 24 of them. How many more classes must she attend? Solve mentally. See 17th one. What do you have to do? 75 minus 24. See, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. First you should minus ones place. 5 minus 4. 1. 7 minus 2. 5. 51. Yes. Therefore, Veena must attend 51 more classes. Understood children? Next, 18th one. What is that? Aparajita got 87 marks in maths and 73 marks in science. How much more marks did she score in maths than in science? 87 minus 73. See here, ones place, tens place, tens place. First ones place you should minus. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 7, 1. See ones place 4, tens place 1. Yes, what is that? 14. Therefore, Aparajita scored 14 marks more in maths than science. Understood children? Next, 19th one. There are 18 white roses and 42 yellow roses in a bunch. How many more yellow roses are there in a bunch? See, over. Practice this all. You should practice now. See, 19th one. What is that? 42 minus 18. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place you should minus. Yes. See, in the 2 8 should minus? No, you can't do. You should take borrow from here. Here 12, here 3. Yes. In the 12, 8 can minus. Yes. 8 after up to 12 you should count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write in the ones place. Now, here tens place. Here which number is here? 3. 3 minus 1. 2. That one you should write in the tens place. What is it? Answer 24. Therefore, 24 more yellow roses than the white roses are there in the bunch? Understood? Should write. Next. 20th one. What is that? A 20th one you can do, ma. Next, these three you can do. Already I did. Okay. Practice. Should practice. '20th, 21st, 22nd. Okay. '22nd one I will explain. Okay, ma. 22nd one. See, Hari has rupees 95. He spent 37 and his father gave him 28. How much money does Hari have now? See, he has money 95. He spent how many? Rupees 37. See, ones tens. First you should do minus s. 5 minus 7 you can do? No. First of all you should take borrow from here. Here 15, here 8. 15 minus 7, 8. 8 you should write in the ones place. Here tens place, see, 8 minus 3, 5. 58 rupees. Again his father gave him how much? 28 rupees. Yes, rupees 58 plus rupees 28. Add you should do. Okay. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. 8 plus 8. 16. 16 like that only should write? No. 6 here. 1 carry forward. Now 5 plus 2 plus 1. 8. What is, how much Hari had now? 86 rupees. So, Hari has rupees 86 now. Understood, children? You should practice. Every bit you should practice, ma.